In this video, you will learn how to change the battery in your monitored heat detector. You might need a step stool or ladder to reach the detector. Please note that depending on the model, it may look different than the one used for demonstration in this video. Before changing the battery, ensure your system is disarmed and placed on test mode with Guardian. Simply go to Guardian's customer care website, customercare.guardianprotection.com. Locate the heat detector with the low battery and gently twist it in a counterclockwise motion, approximately a quarter turn, to release the cover. The keypad may beep when the cover is removed. Once the cover is removed, locate the battery. Next, remove the battery. 30 seconds after the battery has been removed, install the replacement battery. Pay attention to polarity. Once the new battery is installed, replace the heat detector cover. Turn the cover in a clockwise motion until secured. After replacing the battery and cover, test the heat detector to ensure it is working properly. Once you are finished testing the device, confirm the test signal was received before having your system removed from test mode. For assistance, please call Guardian's Customer Care Department